Let's talk about a train station. A train station is a large place for travelers. Many large stations in Japan are clean and very modern. Travelers usually walk quickly through an automatic ticket gate. A small IC card opens the gate quickly. Some people use a smartwatch instead of a card. A quick, easy tap lets each traveler pass through. Travelers can charge their card with more money. A small machine adds money to the card. The bright screen shows the card's current balance. Many curious tourists explore Japan's popular train stations. Friendly station staff always help every visitor there. Sometimes a tourist feels lost inside the station. A helpful map app quickly shows clear directions. People carefully form a straight, very tidy queue. A big crowd moves quickly through the station. The station feels very crowded during every rush hour. Almost everyone quietly looks at their small phones. Many people wear small headphones during the wait. They can listen to music through their headphones. A few travelers play games on their phones. Long escalators carry people to the upper level. Other people prefer walking up the stairs. A departure board clearly shows the train's time. Announcements guide travelers around the crowded station. The whole station feels loud and very busy. Even in the crowd, most stations stay calm.